Hello, I like circus. Do you like circus? What animals are in the circus? I want to share a story, a magic cow who is in the circus. Look, here is the cow. The cow takes a bow. Look, he's got a small hat with a flower. A Cow Takes a Bow by Russell Punter, illustrated by Fred Blunt. Today the circus is in town. Hooray, circus! The cow is so happy. And the cow goes to the circus. Yes. I'd like a seat, please, says Brown Cow. The tent is full. There is no room now. Here comes the boss. Cow sees him frown. Frown. The boss is angry. What has happened? Our clown's not here. He's let me down. I'll help, says Cow. But just show me how. The cow wants to help the boss. No time, the boss cries. You're on now. The time. Cow slips and trips. She tries some tricks, but drops the pies and spills the bricks. Her tricycle just spins around. Her trumpet makes a silly sound. Her juggling balls hit the ground. Her hat flies off. Look at the small hat. It flies off. Her pants fall down. Oh no. Am I the biggest fool in town? The cow says. It's all gone wrong. Brown Cow flops down. Now she's the one who wears a frown. I'm sorry, I messed up, howls the cow. No, wait, the boss says. Don't go now. Listen, he says. The crowd shouts, wow! 3 cheers. Bravo, bravo, bravo. The cow takes a bow. Now the cow is so happy.